I'm sure you've heard the news. Some Hyundai Tucson owners are struggling with alarms that don't work. Let's solve it together. First, check the basics. Is your key fob battery dead? Weak batteries are a common culprit. Replace it and test again. Next, lock and unlock your Tucson with the physical key. If the alarm sounds, your key fob might need reprogramming. If not, let's keep moving. Open and close all doors, the hood, and the trunk. Sometimes a sensor thinks something's open, so the alarm won't arm at all. Make sure every latch is tight. Still nothing? Try resetting the system. Disconnect your battery for 10 minutes, reconnect, and see if the alarm resets. If your alarm is silent after all this, you might have a blown fuse or a faulty alarm module. Check your owner's manual for the alarm fuse location and inspect for any damage. Swapping a fuse is cheap and easy. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time for a professional. Your Tucson might need a dealer's touch or a new alarm system. Remember, fixing your alarm keeps your car safe and your mind at ease. Take it one step at a time, and you'll be back to normal in no time.